Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're working on an area at the front of the house that we're hoping to make into a nice bin storage area. There's this big tree root, as you can see, and loads of rocks that we're going to have to obviously clear out, but a lot of digging to do. So we're going to actually copy what our neighbours have done and bring in like a recessed area to it that hides them nicely, and just fence it all off from the road and allow us to move them out of the back garden where, to be honest, they really don't look great. Hopefully it's an easy task. So, no pickaxe. Well, I found a pickaxe. Charlotte's dad's got one, so hopefully going to borrow that off him and have a go at trying to get that out a bit deeper. So in the meantime, I'm going to get down and clear out up to about here and get rid of all this. It looks like we've got another route there as well. Fantastic, I've only just noticed that. Wasn't quite expecting that one to be that big. That's more like it. Nice rotten tree stump. I've been at this for about half an hour now. I managed to get the whatever it's called, pickaxe, wedged in. Get my boot on here, hold on to there, try and give it a bit of a leverage, see if we can get it to shift. Nope. Out. Yep. I've got enough effort to lift it into the skip. There you go. There we are, the bins are in. We've made the slot. Not perfect, but it's ready for a bit of fencing that we can then shore it up. On to the next bit. Bought some new fencing to go in the return. It's all in the car. Absolutely knackered. I have no idea how I'm going to get it out the other end. There's no way Charlotte would be able to lift these. I barely struggle to pick them up as well, so might be calling on a few favours if you're around, boys. So this is what we've managed to achieve this morning. We've set that post in there, just got a few rocks holding it in place at the minute, but it went in quite nicely. I had to do a little bit of reshaping on that last post to make sure it all fitted in, but it's nice and level. A tiny bit high on the post on the right, but I don't think that'll matter too much when you look at it from the road. I'm going to switch this panel around as well. I put it in the wrong way so it matches up with everybody else's, and then dig in the next hole. Sudden panic. Where's the dog? Couldn't find him. Couldn't see him. Stanley! There he is! Hiding in the front of the car. So I've come and joined Stanley in the car just to have 5 minutes, have a little coffee, but made really good progress this morning actually. I'm pretty pleased with it. Looks really good from here. What do you think, Stanman? You're still very comfortable in there, aren't you? Hey? What do you think to my new car as well? It's an Audi A4 estate. It's pretty big, but 2007, cost me 1,200 quid. Right, it's done a few miles, but a bit mucky inside where we've had the concrete slabs. And a little pooch hiding away in his self-made bed. But it does the job perfectly for what we need. That way. We need to dig the next hole. Be a rock straight away with it. Oh, yeah. Checking there was no drainage coming down this way. Dad's brake on to go. Let's give him a ring. Yeah, alright. Perfect. Wait. That's the result. My dad was just on his way out, so I've just caught him in time. Let's go and get the drill and see if we can break this hole out. Right, let's see if this works. It's a little bit makeshift, but it should be enough to just break up these rocks that are. I'm just going to break them off. So, worked pretty well. This is a good sign for digging the foundations in the future because it's instantly clay. So I'll just do a little review of this. It's absolutely brilliant. For what it costs, I'll do a bit of research to ask my dad how much it was, but it certainly wasn't a lot of money. It's an Aldi special, you know that crap aisle down the middle? That's where it came from, but absolutely brilliant. I think it was about 30 quid. Seriously, it has just bulldozed its way through some of those bricks. I imagine it's nothing in comparison to some of the top end brands, but for the jobs that I need it for just little things, it's perfect. This is what it is. It's the rotary hammer FPB 1500, the Ferex model. But yeah, you can see it comes with some drill bits, nice little chisel. I've got the other chisel that I've got attached to it. But yeah, I mean, it's made a good dent in there and made a nice deep hole for me, and it got in the hole because it's quite small and compact as well, so it's nothing like having a full-on breaker, but done what we needed to do for now. So on to cutting the panels and setting the post. Very rare, but don't you just love it when things go to plan? There we have it. Really actually impressed with how that's turned out. It definitely took it out of me. I am absolutely knackered. Really grateful for the support, Greg. It was definitely a two-man job, so lifting those posts was pretty damn heavy. Charlotte's obviously not been here this weekend. She is back with us next week, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you all on Monday.